Domo is like fire. It catches, it ignites. It ignites curiosity, it ignites passion, it ignites investigation, and ultimately it ignites growth.
Zippo is a global products company. We are headquartered in Bradford, Pennsylvania, and we ship the iconic Zippo pocket lighters to about 160 countries around the world.
We are a global brand with a relatively small marketing team. For us to do what we need to do on a daily basis and to reach consumers where they are, we have to leverage data and data insights to make an impact.
Prior to implementing Domo, we had data everywhere. It was really hard to pull it all together and look at it in context of everything else that's going on. And I was just getting so frustrated. And now we're able to consolidate things in Domo, and our performance has improved dramatically. And being able to look at it in the larger context of what we're trying to do.
Zippo is leveraging data using Domo to really gain consumer insights, to understand the behaviors of our consumers.
Domo helps us see the entire marketing funnel and where our consumers are, where we can meet them, and how we can move them from awareness to consideration to ultimately conversion, and how we can also retain those consumers and turn them into advocates.
Domo helped us tackle the abandoned cart issue by presenting us with information to see when people were abandoning their carts, when people were abandoning their browsers, and then allowing us to go in and tackle that. We're creating more flows to give people more opportunities to purchase. And we were up like over 30% in revenue due to that because we were able to see that information in Domo.
With Domo, you can pull the real-time metrics to inform your team, to inform your management team, and for faster decision-making.
Every time we use Domo, we create a presentation with Domo and show people what we've done with the data and how that's influencing business decisions. One of my counterparts will say, I need your help too. I want that too. So what started out as this marketing data analytics tool has become a true business intelligence tool for us. And it's really been effective and exciting for us because everybody's buying in.
One of the things that's so great about consumption is that it allows for unlimited users. So sales and finance, fulfillment, whatever, the teams. You guys want in Domo? You got it, you're in.
So we're using Domo on a daily basis to make data-driven decisions.
It's really time-saving for me.
We've already made impactful cost savings and revenue-generating actions beyond marketing, but also throughout the organization because of consumption.
I would tell another marketing leader that Domo is an imperative for business success anymore.
If I met someone else that was in my position doing the same exact things that I'm doing, I would tell them that Domo is going to change their lives for the better, going to give you this insight that you didn't know that you needed.